Tired of struggling with a worn-out keyless entry remote? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote offers a seamless solution that fits perfectly with your GM vehicle. Featuring lock, unlock, panic, and remote start functions, this remote is designed to deliver the same performance and durability you expect from General Motors. What sets this remote apart is its genuine OE quality. It's the recommended replacement by GM, ensuring compatibility and reliability. Plus, it comes with a battery included, so you can start using it right away without extra purchases or delays. That means no interruptions to your daily routine or unexpected trips to the store. One of the best parts? This remote supports remote start, adding convenience and comfort, especially on cold mornings or hot afternoons. Imagine starting your car from inside your home, letting it warm up or cool down before you even step outside. It's a small upgrade that changes how you experience your vehicle every day. Programming the remote typically requires a scan tool and a visit to a qualified technician, such as your local GM dealer or an ACDelco service center. But here's a smart tip from users. Some have successfully swapped their old remote circuit board into this new shell without any programming. This simple hack can save you time and money, making it worth a look if you're comfortable with a DIY approach. One customer shared how they avoided a $101 dealer charge by replacing the remote circuit board themselves. Their 2009 HHR unlock button was failing, but after the swap, the new remote worked flawlessly, no programming needed. This proves you don't always have to pay full price or wait for service to get your remote back in action. If you want a reliable, GM-approved keyless entry remote with all the features you need, this ACDelco product is a solid choice. It matches your vehicle's original specs and delivers the same long-lasting service life. Plus, the included battery means it's ready to go out of the box. Whether you're replacing a broken remote or upgrading for remote start convenience, this keyless entry remote simplifies your life. It keeps your vehicle secure and accessible with just a click, while offering the added benefit of remote start for comfort and ease. If that's you, someone looking for a trustworthy, affordable GM keyless entry remote, give the ACDelco 4-button remote a try when you're ready. It's a practical solution that blends quality, convenience, and value in one compact device.